Welcome to this update in hematology session sponsored by Blueprint Medicine, and today we will talk on the targeting systemic mastocytosis, overcoming the diagnostic challenges and optimizing the treatment of advanced systemic mastocytosis. Professor Vannucci and I are delighted to be joined by a panel of experts from all across Europe. So we'll have today's speakers, including Professor Karl Sottler at the University of Salzburg in Austria, Professor Andreas Reiter at the University Hospital in Mannheim in Germany, Dr. Dipti Radia, Guy's and St. Thomas Hospital and NHS Foundation Trust in UK, and Dr. Francesco Manelli, University of Florence in Italy. So the aim of this session will be first to explain the current diagnostic algorithm when to suspect advanced systemic mastocytosis and how to overcome the challenges of diagnosis patients with advanced systemic mastocytosis. Then to interpret how management of advanced systemic mastocytosis can be improved through optimal treatment selection, and discuss the role of multidisciplinary team in the diagnosis and treatment of advanced mastocytosis. So the agenda will be divided into three parts. In part one, Professor Reiter and Sottler will be discussing the diagnosis of advanced systemic mastocytosis. In part two, Professor Reiter will be joined by Dr. Radia as we discuss the management of advanced systemic mastocytosis. In the final part of this session, Dr. Radia and Manelli will be providing some clinical case studies. Before we start, these are the disclosures for Professor Vannucci and myself. We want that this event be an interactive and engaging meeting. So please participate actively in the polls and Q&A session through the platform. So without further ado, it is my pleasure to hand over to Professor Reiter and Sottler.